Hello friends, today we are going to review the song Uchalamba Kad from the movie Welcome 3 or say Welcome to the Jungle, starring Akshay Kumar, Arshad Varsi, Disha Patni and so on, and a big ensemble cast. Uchalamba Kad is a song that already carries a strong legacy because of its original version from Welcome. So the moment this track returns in Welcome 3, expectation automatically becomes very high. And honestly, this version tries to bring back that same fun, energetic, and slightly chaotic Bollywood vibe, but with a more modern touch. The first thing that stands out is the music. The original song had that catchy, desi groove mixed with the club style beat, and the new version follows a similar approach. However, this time the production feels more polished and modern. The beats are heavier, the bass is stronger, and the overall sound is designed to match today's party music trends. At the same time, you can still feel a sense of nostalgia. Now let's talk about Disha Patni because she plays a key role in adding glamour and energy to the songs. Disha's screen presence instantly lifts the visual appeal. Her confident styling and dance performance fits perfectly with the party vibe of the track. She brings that modern Bollywood glamour which blends nicely with the more chaotic and comedic energy of the male cast. The choreography is designed to be fun and easy to follow. It is not about complex dance routines, instead, it focuses on hook steps, expressions, and group energy. That is exactly where what works for a commercial Bollywood songs like this. You want to be you want people to remember the steps and maybe even recreate them, especially on social media. The sets and cinematography the sets and cinematography also deserves appreciation. The songs has a grand, colorful and festive look. The lighting, costumes and camera movement all contribute to creating a lively atmosphere. It feels like a celebration rather than just a performance. And that is what something that Welcome franchise has always been known for. Entertainment without overthinking. Another important factor here is the nostalgia value. Whenever a popular song is recreated, audience automatically compare it with the original. Some people refer the older version because of its simplicity and originality, while others enjoys the updated version because of its modern production and visuals. And that is completely normal. Uchalamba Cuts from Welcome 3 tries to sit somewhere in the middle. It represents the original while updating the sound and representation for a new generation. Now, whether it becomes as iconic as the original version is a different question. Because the original had the first time impact, it is always difficult to recreate. But as a standalone track, this version still works as a fun, energetic and visually entertaining song. Talking briefly about Welcome 3, the film continues the legacy of Welcome franchise, which is known for its comedy, crazy characters and over-the-top entertainment. Songs like Uchalamba Kat perfectly match the tone by adding energy and fun to the overall experience. The original song had that catchy desi groove mixed with club style beat, and the new version has a similar approach. However, this time the production feels more polished and modern. If you have heard the original Uchalamba Kad, there are moments in this version that reminds you of the classic track, and that is important because when you remake or recreate a song, you need to balance between respecting the original and adding something new. Talking about the vocals, the energy is definitely there. The singer tries to maintain the playful and slightly mischievous tone that made the original so memorable. The lyrics also follow a similar fun and an entertaining style, focusing more on vibe and catchiness rather than deep meaning. Overall, I would say Uchalamba Kad in Welcome 3 is a colorful, nostalgic, and entertaining track that focuses more on vibe and enjoyment rather than being anything else. It may not replace the original in people's heart, but it definitely gives fans a reason to revisit the iconic tune in a new form. If you enjoy Bollywood party songs with a mix of nostalgia and modern beat, this is definitely worth checking out. That's it for today's video. If If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more songs review. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.